Snorble is a voice-activated smart companion that supports your preschooler in learning healthy bedtime habits and preparing them for their school years. Filled with educational games, fun activities, catchy songs, and a whole lot of love, Snorble nurtures your child's development to create a tomorrow full of infinite possibilities. Snorble has both Wi-Fi and Bluetooth capabilities, connecting to the app through your home Wi-Fi network for updates and configuration, and sending lighting and audio to the Lullapod via Bluetooth. But with no cameras and requiring no internet to operate, all the activities, all of the content, the operating architecture, and natural language processing are all neatly tucked away in Snorble's tummy to ensure a worry-free family experience that is safe and private. This also means Snorble works where you want them to. In the car, at the park, grandma and grandpa's, even space probably. A big part of Snorble is that we're gamifying routines. By using music with fast tempo and fun melodies, we aim to invoke excitement and engagement during daytime activities. And at night, when it's time to wind down, we use low-tempo music alongside guided dialogue to slow breathing and heart rate, so it's that much easier for kids to fall asleep. All of this means that your child can play, grow, excel, and thrive with Snorble.